Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from crime on Bodycam, and the title of the video is 19-year-old employees $3,500 Walgreens load up card scam leads to arrest. I mean, damn, that title is long, man. They could have came up with a shorter title than that, man. Something a little bit more you know what I mean? Like, come on, man. But yo, let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
On September 17th, 2024, officers were called when an employee was caught stealing $3,500 from Walgreens.
So I have an employee that's reloading their own credit card multiple times today for the amount of $3,500. Okay. So I just want to press charges. Jesus. Pretty sizable? Yep, she's done it all the last week. I got the video and all the receipts here.
What, you don't mind, I'll just take pictures of those receipts that
You
we
can have this whole copy if you wanted.
Yeah,
I made a copy for you and I made all the video for you guys already.
Oh my gosh. All right.
I might have done this once or twice. So this is just the printout of all of them, and then it'll have the individual receipts behind it of what she's doing. She's swiping her own. It's a reload card, swiping that it's $100, hitting $100 cash, not putting any money in the drawer, and closing the drawer. 200, 240, 200. Those are all separate transactions.
And these are just transactions that weren't hers? Like,
those are all her personal transactions she did.
Okay. What signifies the highlighted?
Those, the ones that aren't highlighted, those aren't hers. Those are what she did for other people. Just the highlighted ones are hers. You can see, like, even the timestamps, it's like 7:42, 7:49, 7:51, 7:54.
So she's putting that money back on her credit card?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a Chime reload or a Universal Visa reload.
Okay.
They're separated. It's 3 days that she did it on, all within the last week. That equaled up to $3,500.
Oh, man.
Yeah. She moved fast.
Yeah, she did.
She's in the office right now writing a statement, so.
Okay, when she gets done, we'll try to talk to her, so.
Okay.
Let's just try to interview her and if she wants to talk.
I know. I would too.
I don't think the title's not really.
Everything already wrapped up, then right?
What?
So with everything wrapped up, they might want to go. Hello, gentlemen. Hello.
Just let her make sure she's getting old.
Officer, sorry, this officer roll this. What is your name?
Lynette.
All right, Lynette, have you ever had your rights read to you?
I'm sorry, what you say?
Have you ever had your rights read to you?
Oh, no, sir.
Okay, before we talk to you, we just got to read these, okay? I'm a police officer. You are hereby advised that you have certain rights as follows. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to make any statements or answer any questions. Do you understand?
Yes.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to speak with me. Sorry, you have the right to speak with a lawyer for advice before you are asked any questions. You have the right to have a lawyer with you during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a lawyer appointed by the court or a lawyer for the public defender's office will be provided to you before and during questioning without any cost. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now that you understand your rights, are you willing to answer questions without a lawyer present?
Yes.
Okay.
How, real quick, what's your date of birth on that? You're 19 years old?
Yes.
To the pharmacy, please. Where do you live at?
Yes.
And what's your last name on that? Alright, I'll get the rest later, but
180. So why are we here right now?
Because I had basically committed a felony, basically. I don't know how to explain it, like basically loading money onto cars without physically giving money to the store.
Okay.
I guess I don't know how to put it. Like,
So you've been taking money from the store and loading them onto your cards without any transactions or anything, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And how long has this been going on?
For like a week.
A week? Okay. What are you doing with this money?
I'm just basically using it on bills, even though I know it's wrong because I haven't physically gave the money to the store, but it's basically like I'm like basically financially like struggling because I have a 5-month-old child and my rent is like $500-$600, and that's usually what I come home with.
Okay.
Ever since I've been working here, and then plus on top of that, I already said I have a child, so it's like I'm just like struggling.
So how much money do you think you've stolen thus far?
He basically informed me that I stole like $3,000 something. I'm not for sure, but I know it's like it got to be around that much.
Okay. And how long you been working here?
Since I'm gonna say like the end of June / like the beginning of August.
Okay. And then you just started within the last week doing this. You haven't done it any other time.
Oh no, sir.
Okay.
Where did you learn to do this?
Well, I'm not for sure. I just basically just thought of it. I didn't look it up or nothing on internet or nothing like that. I just basically just thought of it.
Okay. And are they your personal cards or are they preloaded like credit cards? What are you putting them on? The money on?
My Cash App and Chime.
Okay. You got anything else? Well, you can go ahead and take that stuff off. Okay.
Okay.
This was chill though. I ain't gonna lie. She was admitted it, wasn't loud, not yelling, nothing.
Do you have any other of their property, or was that it?
I'll just take your ID badge and that's fine. That's ours.
Okay.
You want to take that other lanyard off too? I didn't notice the pepper spray, but what?
Oh, no,
It's got
sorry.
pepper spray on it.
And that's my keys on there.
Okay,
too.
that's fine. You don't have any property of theirs though? That's it?
No, sir. Just my phone,
Okay.
my AirPods, and my vape and my gun.
Okay, just put that on the table for me, alright? Alright, go ahead and stand up, okay? You are going to be arrested today, alright?
Okay.
Good. You got the small cups in the car. Yeah, we'll switch around.
Put your phone together like that one.
I'm just going to check your pockets, okay?
Okay.
You got a shirt on underneath this? And
Yeah.
zip it real fast. You don't have any pockets on your pants?
No. This is market number 21.
What?
Oh, sorry, man. Hey, the jail won't take your gun, so I'm gonna throw it out, okay?
Okay.
Trash can. You guys have a trash can back there? I'm just trying to throw this out. There it is. Thank you.
Basically the stuff I have bought for my son.
Is there anybody with your son right now?
Yes, my baby daddy.
Okay. If we drop this stuff off the house, is he there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. We're just gonna walk outside, all right?
This was the smoothest arrest I've ever seen. They gonna swing through, drop off the stuff for the baby daddy. This is chill, man. Bystanders be killing me, bro. Like, Y'all seen that bystander just walk by? Got him. Like, bro, mind your business, bro. Just like I gotta get on you. You know what I'm saying? Just like the other bystanders when they be irate. Listen, just like when the blacks do it, you know what I mean? I can't stand it when they do it. Same thing with y'all, the whites, man. Listen, if you a bystander, just mind your business. You know what I'm saying? Got him. Like, come on. This is one of the most smoothest arrests I've ever seen. She admitted everything, whatever, didn't give nobody no hard time. She knew that it was wrong. The cops was pretty smooth. They chilled. They're about to drop off the stuff at the baby daddy crib. Like, this was a good video so far. And then she's walking out and you got the bystander. Got him. Like, come on, man. Just mind your business. Go about your day.
She was charged with retail theft. Do you think her showing accountability by admitting...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.